I should have known better, but I did it anyway. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy ENTHUSIAST, man. Tune in for another one. Trying to see how to get the goddamn blur off there. So basically what happened, as you can see, or I don't know if you can see, but I'm not using the microphone on here because, let me show you what happened. So while we was out there with Whipfest, you know, I be on the go, you know what I'm saying? Tossing stuff in the bag, in and out, boom, boom, boom. And let me show you what happened to my microphone. And I like that microphone. I ain't gonna lie to you, I like. So this is what happened to my microphone. Like it broke off. I'm assuming it ain't no more good, but I mean, I guess it was good for what it was, but I got a different one, so let me show you what I got. Made by the same company, however, like I said, made by the same company, however, it's not. Oh, I thought that shit was like a little close. Made by the same company, however, it is not the same quality, more or less. This kind of reminds me more of my Rode mic. It does have dual capsule condenser microphone, double mic, so front, back, and that's what it is. So let me turn the fan on. All right, there we go. Because when I want, or when I go to do the video comparison for the sound, when I plug in this new microphone, I definitely want y'all to be able to see the difference, etc., etc. So it's about Movo. I put the link down in the description below. Like I said, the other mic was good. There's really nothing wrong with it. However, if you kind of on the go and stuff, then it might not be the best option. I mean, it could have been as simple as, you know, just me unplugging the microphone from the camera or taking it off the camera. But I mean, I be in like a running gun, you know, when I'm out here at these car shows, etc., etc. Like I'm in a running gun mode. So it comes with the microphone, the mount, zipper bag, fur windscreen, Tom 2, and foam windshields, or a fur windscreen and then a foam windshield. It comes with a user manual and a warranty card. So that's all this included. Little zipper bag here, and I got I'm probably rocking the fuzzies because, you know, I'll be outside, you know what I'm saying, so I need the wind off my mic so it don't get that annoying sound, you know. Sometimes you can't avoid it, but if I can avoid it and give y'all that better audio quality experience, then you know I'm all for it, you know what I'm saying. Oh yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe at this time. Is this supposed to be one? Oh, okay. Oh, what the hell? So it says it comes with 2 socks and 2 things. Maybe they're inside of this one. But that was just one, and then this is, I'm guessing, another one. Unless it had already fallen out, which I don't know. But like I said, this one was also made by Movo. So, you know, same company. I think this is just gonna be a little bit better. And like I said, the sound quality was there, man. Like I really enjoyed it. However, like I noticed in my videos, like I didn't have to really raise the sound anymore to make sure that it was like good and crisp. The levels was there, everything like that. So I mean, it was up and up. All right, so a little bit closer look. So you got your stand. This is what goes into, you know, your camera on top, and then boom, holds your microphone. And then you have the microphone itself. Now, one thing One thing I don't know if I like or dislike about this already is the fact that it's hardwired. You know what I'm saying? So if you can see it, it's hardwired into it, which is not necessarily a bad thing. However, you know, I don't know. So you can have it set up for if you're using on a phone. There's that option, and then you can also set it to camera. We're gonna pretty much always have it on the camera. You have a front and a rear. So you can pick up, so it can be just front mic, front and rear, or just rear, depending upon what it is that you're doing. Okay, so I'm guessing those are the windscreens that I already installed on there if you look closely. And then you come across or over them with these little wind shields, whatever they call it. But yeah, Movo double mic. It looks like it has a monitoring port there on the side. I don't know. I've never, honestly, I don't, like, I do a testing 1, 2, 3. I listen back to it, man. If it sounds good, then, you know, that's what we rocking with. I don't necessarily monitor the audio or anything like that after that point. But yeah, installation is very simple. It's very, okay, so that mic ain't going nowhere once it's up in there. So let me get it pushed down off in there, like just like that. So now you got your front, your back, your side to side. Maybe because of the flex. I mean, this had some flex, I guess, like back and forth, but I don't know. Maybe, I don't know exactly why it broke, how it broke, but it broke. So it happens. Still a good microphone. However, if you do the running gun stuff that I do, it may break. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna mount on top of the camera, and we are going to plug it in and see and hear the difference. All right, so we are back. The audio is now going through the microphone. I have the front and the back microphone picking up, so it might be picking up the sound from the fan as well as me here in the front. I won't know what the verdict is until I put, you know, I go to edit this video or whatever. But if it's anything like that last microphone that I got from Movo, man, off of Amazon, it's a good mic. A good mic, a little bit more. However, I definitely think if it's better than the last one, and that one was a cheap one, then I know this one is going to be nothing but better. The casing on this one is more solid, so less likely to break. So it's a little bit more sturdy and everything like that. So that I am not worried about at all. This is also, I mean, this is gonna be a good mic, you know, as you're doing interviews, etc., man. You know, I walk up on somebody, I got the double mic, you know what I'm saying? This mic both ways, so my voice is picking up in front or in back the camera just as well as theirs is in the front. So that's always a great thing there. I did notice that this fits in a whole lot snugger, if I'm not mistaken. I know I had a couple incidents with, I think that was with my GoPro though. I'm gonna try this microphone on that as well. I had a couple incidents where the cord came out of the GoPro mic adapter just a little bit and I got no audio. So if this works well over there on the GoPro, then guess what? Y'all just got another sale and I'm gonna buy one for both of them. Even though, like I said, the Rode mics are good. The audio is good when it's plugged in, but like I said, I don't know why that happened or what the situation was, why it didn't work or didn't happen. I have no idea. So yeah. But other than that, I mean, it says set it to camera mode and plug it into the camera, and I mean that's pretty much it. It does not require batteries, so you don't have to buy any batteries. So yeah. The number 5 is the 3.5mm headphone jack. So if you did want to monitor your audio when you're recording, just to make sure that the levels is right and you don't find out till too late, then that's definitely a good thing to have. Me, I usually don't have no issue talking loud. Other people, you know what I'm saying, it's usually picking up a lot more. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying that I'm like all loud and rambunctious and tear the club up, but you know what I'm saying, I speak at a decent level to where, you know, somebody can hear me, you know, if I want you to hear me. You know what I'm saying? Like a lot of times I don't be talking to y'all, so, well, not y'all, but y'all get it. So drop that in the comments, let me know what you know about this, or let me know what you think about the double mic from Mova. That's the box that it comes in there. Like I said, if it is anything like that last one that we got from them, man, I know without a shadow of a doubt that it's dope. So I ain't even worried about it. You know what I'm saying? When you find a good company with a great product, that's what you do. No, this is not a paid promotion. I bought both of these microphones out of my own pocket with my own dollar. You know what I'm saying? But I ran across a good product and I want to tell y'all that it worked. So that's all I got for you. It's your boy LSJ Rod 254, man. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. I'm back, baby.